Adult education is not a modern invention. Its roots stretch back through centuries, woven into the fabric of every society where people sought to grow, adapt, and survive. But how we think about adult learning, how we structure it, deliver it, and elevate it, has changed dramatically over time. In ancient civilizations, education was the domain of priests, philosophers, and elders. In Egypt, Greece, China, and India, adult learning happened through apprenticeship, oral storytelling, and mentorship. Knowledge wasn't standardized. It was sacred, practical, and passed from one generation to the next through lived experience. Fast forward to the Middle Ages in Europe, and you'll find the guild system, one of the earliest structured forms of adult education. Craftsmen taught apprentices through hands-on learning, emphasizing skill, mastery, and reputation. This wasn't learning for its own sake. It was learning for livelihood. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. Mass production and mechanization created a need for a new kind of worker, trained, literate, and standardized. Night schools and adult literacy programs emerged to educate the growing urban workforce. This was the beginning of adult education as a formal system. In the early 20th century, visionaries like John Dewey and Edward Lindemann pushed the boundaries even further. Lindemann famously argued that adult education should be centered around life itself, not just subjects. He believed adults bring meaning and context to what they learn. This idea, radical at the time, still shapes how we design learning today. Then came Malcolm Knowles, often called the father of modern adult education. He introduced the concept of andragogy, a theory focused specifically on how adults learn. Knowles emphasized self-direction, life experience, readiness to learn, and internal motivation. His model transformed adult learning from something reactive to something reflective and learner-driven. In the late 20th century, adult education became global. Movements for civil rights, women's empowerment, and workforce retraining saw adult learning as a pathway to equity. UNESCO and other global bodies declared lifelong learning a human right. Governments, nonprofits, and private companies began to invest in adult education as a tool for economic and social development. The digital age brought another wave of transformation. With the internet, mobile devices, and AI, learning is no longer confined to classrooms. Adults can learn anything, anytime, anywhere. We've entered the age of continuous, on-demand learning. It's not about earning a degree once, it's about evolving with the world, again and again. Today, adult education is about empowerment. It's about reskilling and upskilling in a fast-changing economy. It's about giving people the tools to thrive in uncertain times. And it's about creating inclusive systems that honor all learners, regardless of background or starting point. The journey of adult education is far from over. It began with survival, moved through industry, was shaped by theory, and now stands at the edge of a technological frontier. Our role as educators is to honor that history while boldly building the future. Adult education isn't just a response to change. It's a force that drives it.